Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel The Meg Guy. In today's video, we are going to install ROS Kinetic Game in Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. So let's go and install ROS. To install ROS, we have to visit the official website of ROS and download it from there. So let's write ROS Kinetic Game. So here it is, Kinetic installation. So we are going to install ROS Kinetic. Here it's written that this instruction will install the ROS Kinetic Game distribution, which is available for Ubuntu Willy and Ubuntu Xenial, which is 16.04 LTS. Okay, as we're using Ubuntu, we're going to click here, and now you can see the installation guide. We're going to follow the instruction which is given here and copy this in our terminal. So let me clear the terminal and let's go. You don't need to understand much about it, just copy and follow the steps that I do. Okay. It's going to ask for your password. Well, 1.2 is done. I'm moving to 1.3. Okay, so far it's smooth. It wants you to update your system. We're going to update. This may take a little while. So it's done. Clearing the window. So I recommend installing the full installation. You can also install these, but these are some packages that consist the full installation. Actually, this gives you the full installation of it. So we are going to install it. This may take a little while. I may pause the video and come back when it's done. So the installation is about to finish. Already 99%. It will take 16 seconds. So let's wait a little bit. It's almost done. We have installed desktop full install, which is recommended by ROS, and it's reading database. so it is still unpacking some of its libraries, so you have to wait a little longer. So you can see the installation is done. So looking back here, we have environment setup. It's a very convenient process to have, but we are not going to focus on this right now. We're going to skip this for now, and we're going to come here in dependencies for building packages. Well, so far we have installed ROS, but we need some dependencies for it to run properly. On the other hand, to work with ROS properly, we need some dependencies, some tools. That is what we are going to install here. So let me clear the window. Yeah, it's installing. It may take a while. I'll just pause the video and come back when it's done. So it's done. Now we are going to initialize ROS step, which is very useful for installing system dependencies. Okay. Now sudo ROS step, just clearing the terminal. Which is already given here. Okay, it may take a little while. So the ROS step update is done. I'm just going to clear the window. Now we're all done. Now we're going to use environment setup. We're just going to copy these two lines and paste it here and press enter. So this is the end of our installation process. Now to check whether the installation is successful or not, we should write print env grep ROS. It should print out the name of the packages and its root and package path, etc, etc. So don't worry if you don't understand the command printf grep ROS. It's okay, we're going to talk about these in later videos. So this was for today. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video. Please like it, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.